Hi, welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things, and I'm really glad to see you here today. I hope you're having a great day or the day of your choice. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and ring the bell down below to stay notified of what's going on and get notifications for my lives, for Beauty and the Beat, and all kinds of good stuff that we have coming up on the channel. And today we're doing a look with the BH Cosmetics Lunar New Year palette. And it is a gorgeous 21 color palette. And it says, your most prosperous year is here. Good luck and glow up. It's the ox. And look at all these. There's a lot of glitter. And lots of really great colors. And I'm going to swatch a few of them. I'm not going to swatch all the glitters because they're glitters. I need to know how the shadows are going to perform. I know how glitters work. So let's get the first four from the first row. Look at that. That shimmer's pretty. You can't see the first. Oh, the first color is this yellow. And it's swatched pretty good. And these look pretty great. And how they are on the eyes is going to be sometimes completely different than they are in the pan. I'm just going to do some random colors. And BH Cosmetics usually has some pretty good formulas for a reasonable price. Those are looking cute as hell. That's all I'm going to swatch because we'll be here all day swatching. And that's not what we're here for. We have some swatches. We have a look. And it's going to be a lot of fun. There's a lot of stuff going on with the new year. Some of you know that my husband Rome had a hip replacement done in the middle of December. And he is going back to work this week, which is going to be a big change in my life because I'm so used to him being here and just hanging out like all day, every day. And I'm going to go back to being on my own, which is good. I've missed being on my own, but it's going to be an adjustment. And we're going to start with Lotus Flower here for the crease. Oh, it's a little more pinky than I expected. It's like a very pale pink. I'm digging in pretty hard, but I'm not getting... It's very, very pale, which is nice for a transition color. It's very powdery. It's not going on nicely. I've had to dig in here pretty good. And there's some kick up in the pan. This may not be BH's finest hour, but I really wanted to do something for Lunar New Year. I did something for the Japanese New Year with my Beautylish mystery box, which was fantastic. Let's see. There's a lot of reds. So I feel like I need to go with some reds, you know, to try to make my New Year's fantasy come true. And I'm going to put down this one that's called Empress right here. It's kind of a coppery reddish shimmer. And it shows up great on the brush. Oh, that is great. This is a great shimmer. A great red copper color. I am loving this. There's a lot of kick up in the pan, but this color is a lot of fun. I'm going to carry this into the crease. I'm loving this so much. Let me get a blending brush and blend this out and soften it up. And that looks very nice indeed. I'm very happy with that. It's now a nice wash of color. We are loving it. Lots of kick up in the pan. Did I mention this is like it's about a $20 palette, which is, you know, just under $1 a shade. And now I'm going to go in with some rojo or red. That's Spanish for red. I'm going to go into this Chinese kind of red, which is called, I'm not sure, I can't hardly read it, but this red here in the center. Ooh, I'm going to have a good time with this color. That's really pretty. Not as much kick up with this color. And that is super pretty. And I think that really does the job for that situation. I'm going to go back into Empress a little bit and just blend it up a little higher. With that blending brush. And that just looks really good. I am going to go into something bright for the inner corner. I'm gonna try this yellow just to go a little crazy. I'm just gonna hope this yellow will work, and I'm gonna use a rougher brush. I mean, not a rougher, but a Sonia G brush I haven't used before. The color is there, ladies and gentlemen. It's a little more orangey. I guess when you mix it with the reds and the coppers. So dynamic. Oh my goodness, this is such an exciting look. I need to do something under the brow. I guess I'm going to go back into Lotus Flower, the first light pink. It's pretty dynamic. But there's a darker red that I want to explore, which is called Red Pagoda, I think. No, Red Panda. Red Panda. Pagoda would be Japanese. It just adds the extra dimension that we really need. Now, an eye look like this could really benefit from fake lashes, but I'm no good at those, so that's not going to happen. But I'm going to go back into Empress. Just keep blending it out. I didn't like the way the pink looked. That's not working either. Okay, let's have some fun. This is just for fun. I put so much pressure on myself to make some kind of magical look every time I turn a camera on. But I'm just a person who's just playing with makeup. Let's do some liner. That usually makes a big difference with what's going on. We'll use some Lorella. You might be hearing some little tiny noises. And that's Wolfie on the outside of the office, wishing he could come inside. I'm having eyeliner issues. Just make the line thicker when you mess up. There we go, a nice dramatic look. Oh, I haven't even put highlighter on. That's a shame. That's easy remedy. Let's put some mascara on. We're gonna use the Marc Jacobs mascara. And this just makes my eyelashes so crazy long. I just love it. This is so pretty. This turned out much prettier than I expected. I mean, I expected something cool, but I feel like I need to do a really dark lip or a pale lip. And I'm always flying by the seat of my pants. Or maybe a really red lip. Oh yeah, highlighter. I was going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Iced Out highlighter. Look at that. So pretty. All right, so the lips. I've got, yeah, let's do this. It's Dose of Colors Date Night, and it's a fantastic red lip. Oh, that looks great. Super dynamic. Pop of red, totally Lunar New Year. I think this palette is okay. I don't think it's great. It made a very pretty look, and I think that, I don't know. It's all right. It's okay. It doesn't blow me out of the water, but it's made a pretty look, and it's an okay palette. And, you know, it's not BH's finest effort, but it's all right. It's all right. I hope you have a great day or day of your choice. Like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you real soon. Bye.